Oh.
Stop. Yeah, I'm stuck in mud. You had to call me before you got that stuck, okay? I know, but you told me try to fix your problem and now I got myself stuck. You bucket up. Go. Tilt it forward. It's kind of working. Check this out. Push the bucket up. Push your bucket up. Now grab it here in the floor. Down. And now go forward. As you push your bucket forward. Okay, hold on. I might be able to get out. Hold on.
Well, you know what we need? Why am I talking on the radio? I'm nervous. Okay, we need rocks to put under that wheel. Put a bucket. Stick will work.
Get the UTV. Put some rocks in the back that we got there. Lots of rocks and bring it over here. Try it, or you're gonna do another one?
Oh, try it.
Bro, if you could get on the 299 and you could tilt the bucket forward and use those steels and give me a little push on that on that thing in the back, it'll help me get out of here. Okay, get straight behind me. Okay, stop, tilt your bucket forward. You gotta go really slow with it though, not to hurt the machine. You gotta get that. There's two hoses that go in the back there, so you gotta make sure you just lift me up and bro, I'll get out of here. Forward, dale, I'm coming out. Dale. Stop.
Okay. Alright. Donnie got stuck in the mud. What'd you learn from this, son?
Pick it up by hand. I'll rip my back out.
No, that's not what you learned. You gotta learn something from this. Or you gotta, let me make sure we don't get it. gonna take you longer to pick that up than if you would have brought it. Oh. Turns on, Ben. Problems. We got an engine light went on the UTV, and we also banged it in back there with some woods next door. So right here.
That one's broken?
It's not. You're gonna need just that piece. Should pop in. This is so stretched out like that. Oh! Where'd it go? At least it's in this spot right there. Heavy duty. Easily I tied this thing up in there. Awesome. So check this out, how we're fastening the UTV. Look at it. You see this rubber piece right here? It doesn't matter how much it moves. This strap, it stays in place. Thank you, Dirtmonkey, for recommending this. I know you don't know me, but I watch a lot of your videos. Check this out. So we put this little attachment here. Boom, boom. We hatch it here. Tie it to the trailer right there. Boom, boom. And it's tight in here because this UTV fits in here like a glove. One of our most valuable piece of equipment, the light engine went on and it turned off on me. Crazy enough, the engine light went out again. I don't know if because we banged the muffler, but we fixed it. I just don't know, so we're not taking any chances. We're gonna take it to the shop and have them check it out. And we'll have it back Tuesday. We missed this. You missed this, Natalie?
Yeah.
All right, hasta la vista, baby. MrHermers checking out. Go show them the fence line after I leave here.